Steve Jobs, 1997. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. But the only thing you can't do is ignore them because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius, because the ones who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do. The grid, a digital frontier. I tried to picture clusters of information as they move through the computer. What did they look like? Ships? Motorcycles? Were the circuits like freeways? I kept dreaming of a world I thought I would never see. And then, one day, I got in.
About humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Welcome to AI High School Online. AI for Beginners course 2023-2024. This is our future, and we need to prepare for it. Don't wait. Visiting our website, www.aihighschool.online, and start learning. AI for Beginners course now. Join today.